Creating plurals in Spanish. There are 3 rules. Rule number 1, if a word ends in a vowel, add S. For example, gato, a cat, becomes gatos. Just add an S. Rule number 2, a word ends in a consonant, add ES. Papel, the word for paper. To say papers, we're going to add ES. So you have papeles. And finally, if a word ends in a Z, it's slightly more complicated. Z changes to C, and then follow rule number 2. Add ES. For example, the word for pencil is lápiz. So if we have a bunch of pencils, we have lápices. We change Z to a C and follow rule number 2. Add ES. Lápices. Examples. This is el gato. If we have more than one, el gato becomes los, because we make the word for the plural also. Ends in a vowel, add S. Gatos. Los gatos. This is la vaca. But if we have more than one, we have las vacas. This is el león. It ends in the letter N, a consonant. We follow rule number 2. El león becomes los leones. Add ES. El perro ends in a vowel. El turns into los, and we add an S. Los perros. La rana. Las ranas. But what about el pez? It ends in a Z. This is rule number 3. We change Z to C and add ES. Los peces. Try some more examples. El bolígrafo turns into los bolígrafos. La bandera. Las banderas. El papel, rule number 2, ends in a consonant. Los papeles, add ES. And the word for pencil is el lápiz, ends in a Z. So the plural becomes los lápices. Z to C plus ES.